Watch how fast this goes up. This is an 18650 lithium-ion battery, which we use in vaping. This guy's very, very lucky. It's what it looks like after it vents. And this is why I'm redoing my Tor battery casings. I don't want it to happen to me or to you.
My friends, do not fear, because Dan the Man is here to show you how to rewrap 18650 batteries. You see that? A bad battery wrap, and it needs to be rewrapped. Okay? You see the metal. You can see the metal. That is always a bad sign. And also on the top, it's got a little rip in it there. Believe me, that little bit is all you need to have a very bad day. You need a hair dryer. You need battery wraps. I get mine from FatDaddyVapes.com. You get a whole stack. I've used a bunch of these. I've had it for a couple of years now. I'm not kidding. It started off about that thick for like $3.50. Alright, you want to take the battery peel. You want to take the bad one off. Take off the old one. That's how I do it. You really got to be careful with these, y'all. You don't want it rolling around like my last video, all over the place, whatever. Alright, so I open it up. Put the battery in. You want to put your insulator back on there. And then what I'll do is I'll just fold it over to see if the measurement's right. And I want it to go down just a little more. And then I want to see what the back looks like. So it's perfect. Everything's perfect. Okay. So I'll lick it to hold it on there, hopefully long enough to get it. There we go. And then I'll come down here and do this just on the creases. Alright. That, my friends, is how to rewrap a battery. Easy peasy. Okay, we'll do this one in a clear wrap over top of this so that you can see how it's done, and if you think you'd rather do it that way. You gotta get your tongue in the right spot. I forgot about that. There we go. Alright, now let's put them in my favorite mod. Just to make sure they fit, especially with one of them practically double wrapped. There it goes, my friends. As you can see, plenty of room. It's Dan the Man signing out. Be safe out there, y'all. Peace.